Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Tranuraini. In this video, I will tell you about definition of NPWP, registration for NPWP, the definition of taxpayer subjects and taxpayer object. The first is about definition of NPWP. NPWP, or Taxpayer Identification Number, is an identification number given by the Directorate General of Tax to each taxpayer, but individuals and business entities as a means of tax administration. The main function of NPWP is to facilitate the monitoring of taxpayer compliance in carrying out their tax obligation. NPWP is also an important requirement to take care of several administrations such as credit application, passport application, and business licensee. This number is also required for regular tax reporting and payment. The next slide is about NPWP registration. NPWP registration can be done for both individual and corporate taxpayer. For individual taxpayer, the general requirement is an identity card or KTP for Indonesian citizen, or a limited stay permit card for foreigner. The registration process can be done at the tax office (KPP) or online through the official website of the Directorate General of Tax. Meanwhile, for corporate taxpayer, documents such as company stamp that the KTP of the main director and business licensee document are required. Online registration is done through the DGT online website by filling out the form and uploading the requirement document. After the verification process is complete, the NPWP will be issued and sent to the taxpayer address. The next slide is about definition of taxpayer subject. Taxpayer subject are individual or entities that are required to pay tax based on tax regulation. Taxpayer subject include several categories, including the individual business entities, undivided inheritance, and permanent establishment (BUT). Individual include individual or individuals, both Indonesian citizen and foreigner who qualify as taxpayer in Indonesia. The next slide is about definition of taxpayer object. Taxpayer object is everything that is the basis of tax imposition that must be reported by the taxpayer, which can be in the form of income, transaction, or asset. Some examples of tax object include income tax, PPh, imposed on income such as salary, honorarium, dividend, and other profit. Value add tax or VAT is levied on taxable good or service in any buy-sell transaction. Okay, I think that is enough. I will end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.